Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 free tools that help you to build your job winning resume. It's been always a tedious task to write the resume, whether you are a fresher or you are in middle of your career or even with 10 to 15 years of experience, writing a resume has always been a tedious task. Resume writing is more about writing about yourself that is related to your academics and professional life. So to write a job winning resume, you need the killer tools. So here are 5 killer tools. Those are free. You can readily use it to build your job winning resume. I have divided these tools into 2 parts. First set of tools that help you to build the resume. The second set of tools that help you to optimize the resume with respect to the job description. Let's get into the video. First and the most important tool is nothing but MS Word. We all know MS Word has a word editor, but there are many features in MS Word we haven't explored. One such feature is nothing but the predefined templates. MS Word has a predefined resume templates which you can use to create your resume. Let me show. First we get into MS Word, then we look for blank templates, then we look for the resume. Here you get list of resumes templates. You can use it to create your resume. Second free tool is Google Doc. Just like MS Word, Google Doc is also a word editor, but it is a Google's version. Even in Google Doc, we have predefined resume templates. You can use any one of the templates as per requirement to build your resumes. There are many websites that help with the resume templates, but why I don't personally recommend these websites are freemium. This website doesn't give that flexibility of editing as the Word or the Google Doc does, because this website helps to export the resume only in PDF format. To edit these resumes, again you need to log into this website. You have to pay to edit or upgrade the resumes. So I personally recommend to use MS Word or Google Docs to build your resume. The third tool is Grammarly. Grammarly is a web-based freemium software. It helps with the writing assistance like spell check, grammar, punctuations and clarity. The Grammarly has an option to set the tone of a sentences. You can set the tone, you can paste the sentence there. Grammarly automatically optimizes the sentence as per the tone. Before going to next set of tools, we should understand what is ATS and why recruiters and companies use this software. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. It is a software used by recruiters and companies to shortlist the resume. The fact is, for each job openings, there will be thousands of applicants, and it becomes very tedious for the recruiters to shortlist the resume from these applicants. So they use this ATS. How the ATS work is, ATS identify all the keywords from the job description and start matching with the resume. Highest number of matches will have the highest score. This is how ATS grades your resume, and depending on your score, your resume will be shortlisted. So to beat a software, we need a software. So here's the list of software that helps you to identify these keywords, and you can use these keywords in a resume to beat the ATS. One such free tool is wordcloud.com. It is a visual representation of a text data. It typically identifies all the keywords and important words in a text in form of colors and size. All you have to do is that copy a job description, paste in wordcloud, rest is magic. Let me show how you can do it. Open wordcloud.com, then copy the job description, then click on word list, paste the job description here and click apply. Now you can see all the keywords highlighted in different size and color. Just copy all these keywords and paste it in your resume. The last and the most important free tool is JobScan. It is a freemium software just like ATS, but it is built for applicants. All you have to do is that copy a job description, upload your resume and let the JobScan do the work. After analyzing, the JobScan will give you the score for your resume. Let me show how you can do it. First is you have to copy a job description, then open jobscan.com, scroll down, then click on upload resume, upload your latest resume, let it analyze. Next is add the job description here. Paste the job description here, or you can select the list from the job title there. Click on scan. Let the job scan do the magic. Let it scan. Now you can see the job score has rated your resume with respect to the job description. You can scroll down, you can see all the required things to update to increase your score. Do accordingly. Scan your resume again and see your score. This is how you can beat an ATS. So here are the 5 free tools that you can use to build your job winning resume. Let me summarize. The first tool is MS Word. Second is Google Doc. Third one is Grammarly. Fourth is WordCloud, and the last one is JobScan. Use these softwares to build your resume. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, kindly share this with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching once again, and we'll see you in the next video.